Hello, welcome to Best Car Fixes again. I solder it. I read it here. I read the one here. It's no good. You see, when I try to read the pattern, it say error. So I'm gonna go to flash and read. If I will be able to read the flash, and then I fix it. This is as usual all the time. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you need more videos, you can visit my page. Subscribe there. It's not reading the apron flash. This is the apron flash. When I try to read it,
Right.
it's not reading the same like how you read it on video. So I'm gonna read the flash, and I will send signal to fix it. If everything is okay, it will fix it. So now I'm waiting. If not the one you have it, we can put it in. If it's working, maybe the windows work different, up and down different. We can
Well,
call.
this one I tried already. It doesn't. It does the same stuff.
Okay, let me see now what's going on. Maybe there is a problem with the car also, we don't know. So let me repair it. This function used to repair, click OK. You say it's being repaired, you see? Thank God.
Yep.
Okay, now you see the VIN number come out.
What's the VIN number on
5493.
that? Yeah, that's mine.
Ending 5. That's it?
Yeah, that's mine.
Close it. Now, if it's repair, I can read the EE, the EEPROM. So let me see if I can read the EEPROM. Read the EEPROM. EEPROM Hexproc has different version from the software. Please update any again and okay. Let's go back. He says it's being repaired, so that's it. You read it. Thank you.
Good.
Thank you. It's good now. Hold this for me. You are here, so you're gonna give me help.
Yep.
So I'm gonna take the operation, open this heart quick, and take the stitch out of the operation. By the way, my friend from Albany, you have a nice Mini Cooper.
Thank you.
He come here, he call me, so I have to wait for him. I'm not gonna let him waste his time.
This guy knows what he's doing.
Yeah, so now I'm done with this one. We're gonna go to the car. What is the box?
Put this on.
He come, yeah, from Albany, New York. Bring the FR to fix it.
3-hour drive.
3-hour drive, and I have to wait for him. Please subscribe, share, and like, and thank you for your support. Okay, now go to the nice Mini Cooper. Go to our Mini Cooper here. We just unlocked that thing. Look how nice it is. This is 2012. Yeah, put it in, and then you put everything. Let me see. Oh, hold on, give me. Hold the camera. You want to put it in, it doesn't want to go inside, right? Okay.
Yeah, it
I
didn't
know
line
why.
up.
I know why. It's crazy here. You see here? Have to go all the way in. Why? It's supposed to have. You see this 2 pin here? Have to go inside here.
Yep. Okay.
Are you sure you don't want to go in? Okay, and Yes.
Relax now.
Yeah. Windows doesn't work. Put it, now start the car. Is it a stick shift? Take your time. Just see. The window? Yes. At least you gotta enjoy the summertime, right? What the other side? Yeah. Your light? Hold on. You see the light? It's on. Watching, please subscribe, share, and like, and support our channel. People on upstate New York.
We gotta try one more thing.
What do you have?
We gotta try
The top converter. That also is that also supposed to work with this?
only the sun will work. The top didn't come down.
Okay, so maybe
Let's see.
I'm not sure, but I know that. Yeah, I see it. Oh, you mean the whole piece, the big one?
Yeah, see, that's
That one maybe. Maybe there's an issue with it in.
if this deck is up,
Uh-huh.
if the deck is up, it won't go down.
Okay, this one. This one was working before? This one.
Just this part.
This one was working before?
Not the whole
No,
thing, just
this one. Huh?
Just this part.
Oh, this one was working.
Yeah.
No, when this happened, this worked?
Yeah.
This was working?
Yeah. Only this part right here, not the whole thing.
Yeah, so that means if the windows work, the headlight is work. Maybe this one have a different module for it.
Honestly, I don't care about that.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
As long as it pulls over. As long as the windows work and everything, we're good.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is one of the mini Coopers that we are doing the system. Oh, even my phone is kind of dying, so I see you in another video.